Hey guys, it's Josie Bun here with an on-time and on-theme Valentine's Day outfit video. Whether you are dressing up for yourself or just for the holiday or for a date night, these are 4 ideas that I put together to celebrate this super cute holiday. Even if we all just end up wearing our PJs or sweats at the end of the day, I hope you took some kind of inspiration from this to look and feel your best, whatever that means to you. This first outfit is so cute and special to me because I've been wanting to style this lilac mock neck from the brand Dreamers, but I didn't want to just pair it with denim, although I do think it would still be cute with that. I wanted to take my opportunity to make it feel a little more special and give it some texture and visual interest by pairing it with this scandalous lace bodysuit lingerie from Victoria's Secret, because damn it, I paid $100 for it. The world is going to see it however many times the world lets me show this off. I do want to shout out to the construction workers that were working next in the lot over that definitely watched me make this video, sing, dance, and enter and exit my car 4 times in 4 separate outfits. I'm extremely sorry you had to witness this. This is mortifying, honestly. I did want to include a pattern besides the lace, if you want to call lace a pattern. So I included this vintage plaid skirt from Evan Pinecone. Pinecone? Piecone. The black and white color ties in the darker tone of my tights, offers a pop of pattern, and I just loved how this outfit came out. I really felt comfortable and so stylish. I felt like a little walking Pinterest post in this fit, I'm not gonna lie. So I didn't go ham on the jewelry in this one, just a couple of simple rings, including one that kind of looks like an engagement ring so that weird men wouldn't hit on me when I went into the thrift store to warm up after filming this video for 4 hours in 20-degree weather. No, really, it like actually snows during the filming of the last couple outfits. You'll see it. I was suffering. Okay, we have to talk about these shoes. These are like little Barbie shoes, and I bought them as a little congratulations on completing 1.5 months of physical therapy, and I feel like a little doll while I'm wearing them. They're the Marc Fischers in the style Dircy 2 in the color medium pink, and I will be linking these below because I just got them, thus they are still very much available. Go ahead, tell me these aren't adorable, just try it. I'm gonna start this outfit off by talking about these amazing earrings I snagged from a vintage shop where all of the jewelry was like $3. It was absolutely amazing. These give me Marilyn Monroe vibes with those large black stones in the center surrounded by these rhinestones, and they paired really nicely with the modern headband that I paired them with. I like how the light plays off of the rhinestones, especially in lower lighting, and I think it would work really well at a more ambient restaurant or out on the town under the streetlights. I think that would be super pretty. As this video has demonstrated, I will absolutely never be able to resist a patterned wool miniskirt from the thrift store, and I think this video absolutely proves that. I've got this red, black, and white plaid miniskirt, and it just works so well and is super comfortable in the fit despite it being really high-waisted, and it makes it ideal for a holiday where a lot of the main activities happen to be eating, so basically all of the winter and midwinter ones. With this, I've got this absolutely luxurious Lord & Taylor cashmere turtleneck in a light gray. I love materials like this during the holidays because they're thin, but they're still really warm and cozy, so they layer really well under jackets and coats, but on their own they do enough to keep you toasty as well. Not to mention, unlike some other winter-appropriate fabrics, this is super soft to the touch, so it is a little treat for your skin and feels really luxurious if there's a person you've consented to touching you getting to gift their fingers the joy of cashmere. What an experience. To edge this look up a little bit and bring in more of that Valentine's Day color palette, I have paired it with these Aldo boots in this beautiful cherry red patent leather material, which is perfect for keeping your feet dry during the wet and sloshy month of February, and also for stepping on your date if they get a little too rowdy. I'm just saying, it's an option. Hi, okay, here's the third outfit, and if it looks bulky, that's because it is. The top and the bodysuit from the first outfit have been underneath all of the clothes that you have seen so far. Did I make the mistake of putting on those 2 garments under the tights that you see me wearing? Yes, I absolutely did, and I didn't want to be fully nude while changing in my car. Side note, yes, I have a privacy curtain in each car window so I can use it as a change room without getting arrested for public indecency, but I'm always super nervous someone will tap on my window whilst I'm in the middle of changing into another outfit, so I do like to keep as many clothes on as possible, and as we have reiterated, people, it was freezing cold outside, so that is why you see the sweater bulging out a little bit from the skirt, and why the skirt might look a little tight. It's because I have way too many layers of clothing on underneath it. I am still very clearly on my dressing way too scantily for the weather I am currently experiencing in this very clip bullshit, but anything for the YouTubes, so let's talk about the outfit. I love how preppy this looks, and the Burberry-inspired print of this vintage wool miniskirt feels super cohesive with the patent leather Mary Jane platforms from Steve Madden I got over the holidays last year, and instead of just pairing this with my favorite black turtleneck sweater from Apartment 9, I did want to add a little bit of fun layering for the sake of protecting my skin from turning blue from the wind chill I'm enduring in this clip and smiling and dancing through the pain. So naturally, I picked this Dana Buchman sweater vest in this nice cream knit. I like that it brings a more of a beige and brown tone in the skirt, and it makes the outfit less overtly dark. I love an all-black look, but for this I wanted to keep the outfits fairly light and palette, so this was a fun way to play with that. And this was particularly fun to film because during all my little dancey dances, many people decided to drive very slowly through this empty lot behind the desolate building I chose on purpose because I literally have never seen anyone drive back here, but suddenly it's the I-95. Drop your pussy, let's get to it, babe. Go on night long, like an iPhone. Leave the lights on, Do you mind, helicopter? Look how close he was. Wow. By far the simplest in its construction, this outfit was born out of my desire to cover up my legs with a snuggly pair of vintage Levi's denim that I hacked the bottoms off of and also cozy up inside my thrifted Burberry puffer jacket in the signature tan color. I did jazz it up with this sparkly heart-shaped purse that I snagged off of a Marshall's rack at some point during a boredom-sponsored shopping spree over the part of the pandemic where I was avidly promising myself this would all be over very soon. This camisole is one I've been wanting to style really badly, but as someone who doesn't currently own a strapless bra, I've been pretty limited in the ways to style this without layering underneath or over top of it, so technically this is a pajama top from Victoria's Secret that I thrifted a while ago, so it wasn't really made to be worn in an outfit, but you know me, challenging the world with what can and cannot be worn out. And I actually really liked the addition of the leopard print beret and the chunky cream-colored Steve Madden booties that have quickly become a favorite in my collection. I think they add a little special something to the outfit and make it a little more than just jeans, a shirt, and a jacket. So that is all the fit inspiration you're gonna get out of me today with these temperatures. So I hope however you decide to dress yourself or spend the day, you spend it with the people or person or animal that loves you the most. Even if you are physically alone, make sure you reach out and talk to a friend to liven up the day, or compliment a stranger if you go out to run an errand to boost that sweet, sweet serotonin. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Up until next time, be well.